Hello. If you already use the EufyMake E1, you know it's a powerful printer. But setup and alignment still slow you down. Every new job means rescanning the bed, realigning your artwork, also dealing with overspray that slowly mucks up your whole bed. Over time, that overspray builds up. It becomes uneven and eventually forces you to change out mats sooner than you should. It breaks focus, it wastes time, it adds unnecessary costs to your workflow. So, we built the ULTIM8 JIG. The ULTIM8 JIG is a precision bed system specifically designed for the EufyMake E1. It locks in alignment, it protects your build plate, and it turns complex setups into calm, repeatable workflows. The ULTIM8 JIG is made for workers who print often, small businesses, studios, and serial hobbyists. Anyone who wants faster setup, cleaner results, and confidence every time they press print. We'll be offering the kit in 3 different styles: the Core Kit, the Double Set, and the Deluxe Kit. Let me show you what you get inside of the Core Kit. You get one XL mat. This fits your XL bed and protects your work surface and sets up the jig, as you can see here. You get one mini mat for the mini bed. Perfectly sized for the mini bed and perfect. You get 6 spring clips. These clips lock your mats into place on the EufyMake bed and keep them there. Then you get a whole set of fixtures. By the way, these containers are 3D printable and downloadable, but don't come with the kit. You get the 5.0 fixtures. These are taller fixtures. You can see that that's a 5mm ledge. Those are for bigger product, like you can see here on the bed. We also have the 2.4 fixtures, and you can see these are significantly thinner. They're 2.4 tall, and they're for thinner materials. Within the 5.0 fixtures, you get 24 different fixtures. You get 6 different L shapes. Then you have 6 pieces which are straight, which are 5 5s. It's written on the top. And that means that from the center line, these pegs are centered 5 and 5mm from each border. You get 6 pieces which are 6 4. And that means these pegs are 4mm from one side and 6mm from the other. And you get 6 pieces which are 7 3. And once again, it's 3mm to the border there and 7mm here. With this assortment, you could choose the ones that fit best closest to your part and swap them out. It gives you the full flexibility. This grid of holes is spaced 10mm apart each per row, and then the secondary row is 5mm off. So you basically have a hole every 5mm. You're able to place your fixtures exactly where you want them to be. They also come with 12 5.0 cam locks in different sizes and orientations. There's the small and the large, and once again, that's the 5.0 step on it. Cam locks work wonderfully. You just simply place them in the hole that you choose most appropriate, and you turn it until it snaps the piece into place. And it's basically locking any part into position, especially organic shapes, round shapes, or shapes that are less likely to be just accommodated by the straight fixtures. You also get 20 neodymium magnets. These are 5mm round magnets by 4 tall, and these work by, let me go ahead and set some up. Simply put them into the holes on your jig, do an array of 4, and then you get 8 backing plates. And these backing plates, then you put a piece of paper, plastic, anything thin right here, and this will clamp it in place. Something that's too thin to be held by our fixtures. Overspray stays on the mat where it belongs. The mat peels clean when needed, and your printer bed stays flat, consistent, and usable much longer. Alignment stays locked in. Batch jobs become real fast, predictable, and stress-free. So this is the ULTIM8 JIG. We'll be launching very shortly on Kickstarter. All super early birds will be getting their first kits within 3 weeks of the closure of the campaign. We look forward to see what you're going to do with our incredible system. Thank you.